Today we're going to learn how to draw a butterfly, and this is a request from my friend Millie. So Millie, I hope you like it. Today you're going to need your supplies, which is your sketchbook or paper. I'm drawing with a Sharpie, but you can draw with a pencil and an eraser if you would like, and outline later. The colors I've chose for my butterfly are red, black, and kind of a burnt orange, so a brownish orange. But you can choose any colors you would like. As we go along, if I go too fast, just pause the video and catch up. No problem. So I have my piece of sketch paper underneath my paper in my book, right? This is my scrap paper, just in case it bleeds through. So if you're working on a surface, make sure you have a tablecloth down. Okay, let's create a butterfly. So the butterfly are symmetrical, which means anything that is on this side is on this side. So it actually makes it kind of fun to draw. Like always, we're going to use our fingers first to see how much shape we have. So I know that my butterfly center is here, and it needs to go out and over on either side, in, down, in. So I have an idea of the size I'm doing before I even begin. I know this is the middle, so I want to go middle, middle. And I'm going to start with some basic shapes. Here we go. Little circle. Little oval, long oval, little circle, little oval, long oval. Great. Now where the circle and the first oval meet, we're going to do our first line. So you put it here, and you're going to go up and out like half a rainbow. And the same thing on this side. Up and out like half a rainbow. Good job. So now we're going to space out our next line, which is right in the middle of this oval. So right in the middle of this oval, go straight out and go straight out. Good job. And now at the top of this big oval and the bottom of the middle one, we're going to do lines that go down. Now these need to be a little bit wobbly, but however you do it is fine. So you go at an angle down and an angle down. Okay, great job. And now let's start to create our shapes. So from here we have to connect to here. We want to make this line feel very natural. So the way we do that is we're going to go out and just kind of wobble it in till we hit that line. Same thing on this side. Out, wobble it in till we hit that line. Great. This bottom side's a little bit different. Here's the edge. Come in, put a little dot. Great. And now we're not going to go straight down. We're going to go like a circle over to it. And we're going to make it a little wobbly. Great. Here's our edge, go in a little bit. Circle over to it, a little bit wobbly. Great. All right, so let's make some shapes now. Remember, anything you do on this side, you have to do on this side. So let's just begin. From here, let's do an oval shape. Line it up, an oval shape. Perfect. Let's from here go straight out and over. Straight out and over. Wonderful. From here, let's go a little diagonal and up. A little diagonal and up. Great. And here, let's connect with a rainbow. And here, let's connect with a rainbow. Beautiful. Let's make some shapes on the bottom. Same thing. Let's go diagonal out and come back up. Diagonal out and come back up. Wonderful. And now let's just make some lines that connect to this diagonal. So let's have one that comes here, one that comes here, almost like flower petals that all connect to that one. Let's try that again. Flower petal, ooh, all the way over there, flower petal, flower petal, flower petal, flower petal. Nice job. There's a little edge here. So let's do some circles. Circle, 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 circle. And we have a little bit more room, so let's put some dots. So I'm using a pen, so all I have to do is put it down to make the dot. If you're using your pencil, you can fill it in. Let's do a filled in dot at the top of each. Last thing we need for our cute little butterfly are the antennas. So to do the antennas, we come here and we go up and a little dot on each. And there you have a little butterfly. But let's color it in. So we have all these wonderful black lines already, right? So we don't have to color those in. They're already the black. But if you worked with pencil, you can outline all of those lines black or leave them, it's your choice. So because I drew in black, I have my black color down. So I can just move on to my burnt orange and red. I'm not gonna use as much red, so I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna put red in all of my open circles. Not the dots, because they're filled in black, but the open circles. I also decided I might use a little yellow. And I want to do that at the bottom of these two, or a couple of these at the bottom. I think that's good. Then all I have left is my orange. And my orange goes here. I actually have a bigger side on this one. Now, since I used black for outlining, I can very easily go over those lines. You can do that too if you have done it in pencil. Just make sure you go back later to do the outlining. Here's where the yellow was. I'm just going up close to it. Now don't get the little body, because that's going to be black, with maybe a few little details on it. And our edges will also be black, with a few little details. We might leave a little bit of white. Now I drew mine kind of small because I'm working in a sketchbook, but if you drew yours really big, that is wonderful. So now we're going to do our body and our edges. And I want to leave a few white spots in all of these edges. So to do that, I have to be kind of careful because I'm coloring with black. So I'm going to first make them. So I'm going to do a little half circle and little half circles. Can you see those right there? And I'm going to very carefully color the edges. And I'm going to do it down here too. Half circle, half circle, half circle, half circle. Very carefully color around it. So I just have a few white specks. If you didn't do it, that's fine. And now here I want to do the same thing. So I'm going to give myself a couple little white half circles in any spaces I have. See? So that then when I go in and color, I can carefully go around them and end up leaving some white spots. Little white spots. Now, if you don't do that and you color it all in black, that is fine also. Great, but I like to have a little bit of white spots. I'm going to do a few up here because there is a little bit of room. And I did say it had to be symmetrical, I know, but I feel like you can get a little creative and put them in just wherever you can find spots. And then anywhere else, you will color in black. You can also do a different color if you want and not do the black. You could do more yellow. That would look pretty nice. And then you would see those black dots. But I decided I think I'm going to do black with the white. Things change in art. You have to just adapt to it and have fun with it. Great. And now the face, I think I'm going to do the face a half circle and a half circle, and just the dots on the top and the bottom. And there's my little butterfly. I wonder where our butterfly is gonna live. Maybe you add a little leaf that's flying below or above. You get creative. I'm gonna have my little butterflies flying over. Some leaves. And there we go. I hope you like it, Millie.